Drink the fucking water. I'm so fed up right now. I'm so fed up. Then rotten food. Don't come eat this. And he's gonna move on in 2 weeks, Chad. I can't fucking wait. Last time, look at it. Look at how much shampoo you use. You can't get this stuff anymore. Boom, get over here! Come drink water, mama! Ugh. He will leave all his dirty clothes in the bathroom. That's why I'm in here. Because if he does that again, I'm gonna rub Boone's dick in all of his clothes. Right, Boone. I never leave the house, but when I go to Ruby Tuesdays with my sister, we get sushi at Ruby Tuesdays. I find this event. Guess what, Christine? He fucking put all his shit all over my house. And won't turn on his music. And he smells real good, and I hate that. I love Japanica. That's about the only thing I love. I love Japanica and Boone. And that's it. Cold in here. Well, I picked the heat on 58. So Chad can pick the fuck out of that bill too. He ate all my food the first 2 weeks. I gave him 2 packs of Easy Mac. I said, here, Chad, eat this. You know what he did? He snuck his little hand into my fucking Fiber One bars. Had to. Yeah, he has a lot to learn. Boone, get over here! I just kicked Chad out of the house. Boone section. Like, Boone, get over here! I just kicked Chad out of the house. I wrote him this note. And I'm done. I'm done with him. I put scorpion poop in his soda. Boone! Get over here! I pretty much don't leave my bedroom. Boone, sit down! He's a good dog. Boone, lay down. Let's go drink out of the bathroom. Chad doesn't clean up anything. He leaves a fucking mess everywhere. I can't, I'm glad he's gone in this last month here. I'm glad he's gone, he's fucking out of here. I'm hungry. Oh shit. So yeah, he leaves a mess everywhere, left the kitchen a fucking mess. Okay, he didn't clean since the party. The Thanksgiving party, he didn't clean. I was like, Chad! In a note, is what I said. Chad, you better clean the fucking dishes. You better fucking